Hey guys, it's Mike Ross, co-founder of Northwest Premier, and for today's financial educational topic, we'll be talking about term insurance, which is one of the two main categories of life insurance. So, with me, I have my handy dandy whiteboard. Again, today we're talking about this category. And in this example, we'll talk about the most commonly used life insurance for term, which is a 20-year term policy. As it states, the length of a 20-year term policy goes for, you guessed it, 20 years. And then it's over. The cost of a 20-year term policy is relatively low at the beginning because typically when you get it, you're a little more healthy than you are 20 years later. If you want to get another policy after the length is over, typically the cost will be astronomically higher. The reason being is the older you get, typically you're not as healthy as you were 20 years ago, and the chance of you dying later in life are a lot higher than earlier. So, as far as living benefits, there are none. It's just like car insurance. If you pass away while the policy's in force, it pays out. If not, you just paid money to the insurance company the whole time. And that's your financial education topic of the day. If you would like to learn how to customize a term insurance policy strategy for you, reach out to us at info@nw-premier.com. We can shop out about over 30 companies out there for you, so we have no strings attached. Give us a call or shoot us an email, info@nw-premier.com. Thank you for listening. Talk to you soon.